We are going out to put out a International Dog Day cache. And this is going to be Bruno's cache. He's hot right now. We got to kick in the AC, but we're going to go out and put a cache out, hidden out here for people to find, or an International Dog Day, and name it, the Dog Day is the name of the cache. And this ought to be pretty cool. I don't know, I'm having fun. Like I said, I'm kind of a goofball sometimes. So anyway, we're gonna crank the AC up, and we got a few miles to drive, and we're gonna put this thing out. Well, we're getting out here. Bruno's excited about this, aren't you, boy? Bruno, you excited about this, huh? Well, maybe not so much, but I kind of am. So this one's gonna be kind of off the beaten path. You know, like I said before, a couple people make comments about geocaches being in easy spots right along main highways and stuff. Well, that's not always the case. We're out here in the boondocks, okay? And I'm driving out here in the desert a little ways. And Bruno and I are going to place his geocache in honor of International Dog Day somewhere out in this desert. And this is one some of you folks that are local here that follow me could come out and find. That's kind of going to be cool. But high clearance vehicle for this one, or a buggy, or a motorcycle, or a horse, or hike, or whatever you want to do. So anyway, I'll be back. I'll even give you a look at the area. This is where Bruno and I have decided is a good spot. Yeah, it is. So my friends, it's a short little video, but if you'd like to find this, you have to come here, and you'll have to join the geocaching.com, and that's where I list all my finds, or hides, and my finds. It's a pretty cool place. I'm not promoting them or anything. I'm not getting paid. That's just where I do my geocaching. So anyway, I'm going to get this thing put in, and we're going to get back to the house. So hey, if you like these videos, even when they're short, like, subscribe, ring the bell. And Bruno the geocaching dog is saying Bruno out on National Dog Day. He's hot. So for now, my friends, Nugget shooter out.